It's pretty hard to fight something you can't see, and researchers do a lot of that. Currently, our world faces some of the harshest diseases, which we can't treat because we just don't know enough about them. It's especially difficult because so many problems in our bodies happen on a microscopic level. But did you know that scientists have found a way to be able to see inside cells using a fluorescent protein very similar to this glow stick? It's called GFP, which is the abbreviation for green fluorescent protein. If this protein is present inside a cell, it causes the cell to emit low energy green light when the cells are exposed to ultraviolet radiation. How? Well, this protein is fluorescent, which means that it glows when exposed to any type of electromagnetic radiation. GFP is perfect for studying living cells because it can be encoded into a cell's genetic code or even attached to another protein. Currently, scientists have used it to observe protein fusions, bacterial cell organizations, DNA processes, and even to visualize new cell types. GFP is the perfect candidate to do all these things because it is heat resistant and not toxic for cells, so the animals used in testing don't get harmed. Phew. When scientists use this protein, they get cool images, like these. When a scientist intentionally affects an organism with a virus to understand its effects, they would see something like this. But if the virus was programmed to produce GFP, the image under UV would look like this. They can gain so much information.
You're probably wondering, how does this protein light up in the first place? Well, it's actually very simple. This protein is made up of 3 basic amino acids called serine, tyrosine, and glycine. It altogether has 238 amino acids. So first, the protein chain folds and forms a barrel-like shape. Then the serine reacts with the glycine to form a single bond. The oxygen in the surrounding environment reacts with the tyrosine to form a new double bond. And then a fluorescent chromophore is produced. It's this cool green thing that is letting researchers look into cancer metastasis and Alzheimer's disease. I guess glow in the UV is really cool.